The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dance Give me back my money. Give me back my money, girl. Give me back my money. Me gun. Give me back my money. Give me back my money. Give me back my money. Get the 7-8 dragon. Give me back my money. Give me back my money, girl. Give me back my money. Give me back my money. I know me a bust no sweat. I know it and I done yet. I know man gonna come yet. I know platinum don't bust off yet. 7-8 dragon up in a plastic. All along just like a mustard. In a soft it tough like bricks. So me tell her remember just keep on it. Give me back my money, girl. Give me back my money. Get the 7-8 dragon. Give me back my money. Give me back my money, girl. Give me back my money. Me grand. Give me back my money. Give me back my money, girl. Give me back my money. Get the 7-8 dragon. Give me back my money. Give me back my money, girl. Give me back my money. Me grand. Give me back my money. Send her go buy condom. Anything that we have fun.
Viewers and subscribers, you remember the man that was in an incident with a woman at a place that is known as Barefoot Hotel, and it said that him pay the woman for a certain service that him did not receive? Well, this man now built a song, and the song is towards the whole incident. That is what you are listening to right about now, viewers and subscribers. And some people on social media are saying that people not easy, anything for your hype and all these things. Viewers and subscribers, you listen to me very carefully now, see? That man didn't take it to heart and go and resort to violence. Instead, him build a song. Believe you me, you have to give him a little props for that. You see it? Him never turn to violence. Instead, him build a song. You see it? If you listen to the song, you can hear him say Platinum in it. So it seems to me like he go by the name of Platinum. Viewers and subscribers, after the incident happened, him do an interview explaining him side of the story. The lady do an interview explaining her side of the story, and then in turn around in a video said that all of what she said in the story are practically maybe the broomstick part he's talking about. Him said that a lie she had tell. This one hit social media and there's a whole heap of speculations behind this. I'm just left it with you, my viewers and subscribers, so you can actually hear what I go on and tell me what you think if you feel like telling me what you think about something like this. Alright? Yeah. And you don't know me over there, I have to keep you up to date and posted. You don't know until next time. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?